What's up, beautiful people? It's Olaf Texas again. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you how the proper way to make your Thanksgiving turkey. Not just your turkey, but even chicken. Remember what I told you about? We're learning everything on this platform. So what I do first is, I try to clean my turkey a little bit. Rinse it. Make sure everything is clean. Cause all what we want is everything being clean, everything be clean. And that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just cleaning my turkey. I'll apply all on both sides. And what those ingredients I'm using right now is I just applied, slap your mama to my turkey. And once you're done with applying slap your mama, the next thing I did, just make sure that, but depending on what ingredients you want to use, depending on what recipe you want to use, but this is literally I make mine. Once I'm done with that, with applying slap your mama, I apply lime to it on the inside, on the back, front, back, middle, center, just name it. I apply everything to both sides, just make sure everything goes around. And next thing I'm doing right now is adding my knorr. Most people were like, you use knorr all the time, but trust me, that's what we grew up with. And trust me, there's this taste knorr gives you. So right now, after adding your knorr, I'm adding my red grinded pepper. That's what I'm doing right now. You see right there, everything looking all red and all that stuff. So right now, after adding my red pepper, the next thing I'm doing right now is adding my thyme. Once I'm done adding my thyme, I add my curry. Once I'm adding my curry, I add my garlic. My onions. Onions is very important. Onions is very important. Dicing my onion, and even before then I added my garlic. I'm sure you guys didn't see, but I added my garlic, added my onions, and that's what I'm doing right here, because you need that, you need that spice, you need that taste. Exactly. Right now, with everything going on good, you see me right now, I'm lifting up the turkey, making sure the sauce gets into it and all that good stuff. I feel we need a little bit of curry and a little bit of salt. Salt is life, but not too much of salt because you don't want it too salty. So what you want to do is I just add a little bit of salt, and I'm just rubbing all my ingredients around the turkey. And turkey, that's what I'm doing right now. That's, you see my curry right there. You can get your curry from anywhere, from Walmart, from any African store, just name it. But what I'm doing is right now is just marinating. Once everything is done. Once you're done marinating, the next thing you want to do is you want to leave your turkey for at least 5 to 8 hours. And you see me right there? That's my turkey right there inside the plastic bag. That guy stayed all night. So right now, what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna cut it. Just take my turkey, my marinated turkey, out of wherever you put it. Put it in the pan. And remember, I told you it's cold. It's literally cold, so I did use my oven. So right now, that's my foil paper. Cover my turkey and slide it into the oven. Slide that guy into the oven and let it do its thing. Most people will say 350, most people will say 400, but for the most part, I just stay on 380. And you see right there, that guy was really all down there. In between what you're doing, you see the sauce. You see the sauce right there. The sauce just keep dripping. Make sure you check your frequency so it doesn't get burnt. And this is my outcome. Look at that guy right there, all looking yummy, all looking. Trust me, that guy looking all good. So at this point in time right now, I'm trying to eat right now. Look at that guy is just dropping off. That guy is just dripping off. Look at can you just imagine? So you see right now, it's so hard to to lift the turkey up. It's hard to lift the turkey up. Everything just keeps dripping around. Keep dropping off the turkey itself. See something? See how that guy is breaking out. But notwithstanding, let's have something. Let's have a taste. No, but for you all need to taste this though. You all need to taste it.
It's how you do the same thing every time. They say,
Feel about the turkey.
Okay.
It's really good.
It's blessing.
That's what's up right there. And yeah, that's how I make my Thanksgiving or Christmas or New Year's turkey or chicken. Let me know what y'all feel. I appreciate all you do. Thanks for all you do. Thanks for your support. If you've not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscription button. It's that notification. So when I push out my videos, you get it first, and you'll be the first person to watch it. Drop your comments right there and let me know what you're for. Thank you so much for all you do. And happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas in advance, and Happy New Year in advance also. Thank you.
You know what's up. You know what's up.